Hi students, yesterday we discussed that type if the parabola is of the form y minus beta whole square equal to 4a into x minus alpha. Then how to find focus, vertex and lattice rectum. Now for this parabola find vertex, focus, equation of directrix, tangent, means equation of tangent at vertex, equation of axis of the parabola. Of this parabola we have to find all these. So this you reduce into standard form. What is standard form? Y minus beta whole square is equal to 4a into x minus alpha. Reduce into. Now first of all this dividing by 4. This is y square minus 5y plus 3x plus 67 by 4 is equal to 0. Now this make it as a perfect square. A square plus 2 into y into, if it is 5 by 2, 2 to gets cancelled, this is 5y plus b square 5 by 2 whole square plus 3x plus 67 by 4 minus 25 by 4 equal to 0. Now adding 25 by 4, subtracting 25 by 4. Now this part is y minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to, that you write that side. So this is 3x minus 3x plus 25 by 4 minus 67 by 4. Right, that side. That is equal to minus 3x plus, take LCM these two, 25 minus 67. 67, that is equal to minus 3x plus, so this is minus 67 minus 25, that is 42. 42 by 4. That is there, 2 times gets cancelled. This is 21 times. Minus 3x minus 21 by 2. Again you can take minus 3 is taking common. This is x plus 7 by 2. So this is y minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to. Now is of the form y minus beta whole square equal to 4a into x minus alpha. Now what is vertex of parabola is what? Alpha comma beta. For this vertex is alpha beta. What is alpha? Minus 7 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Vertex is minus 7 by 2 comma 5 by 2. Minus 7 by 2 comma 5 by 2 vertex. X minus of minus 7 by 2. And 4a is equal to, comparing 4a equal to minus 3. 4a is minus 3. Implies a is equal to minus 3 by 4. For this parabola, focus is what? Alpha plus a comma beta. That means the parabola is like this. So this is the parabola. Focus is alpha plus a comma beta, where alpha is minus 7 by 2. A is minus 3 by 4, comma beta is 5 by 2. So this is equal to minus 7 minus 6 by 4, comma 5 by 2. That is minus 13 by 4, comma 5 by 2. So that is focus. Okay, next one is equation of directrix. Is x equal to alpha minus a, that is x equal to, where alpha is minus 7 by 2 and a is minus 3 by 4, minus of minus plus 3 by 4. Equation of directrix, that is equal to, this is minus 14 plus 3 by minus 14 plus 3 by 4, that equal to minus 11 by 4. Minus 11 by 4. Therefore, equation of directrix is equation of directrix. If you cross multiplying 4x plus 11 equal to 0. X equal to minus 11 by 4. So, this is equation of directrix. Next to so equation of tangent at vertex. Equation of tangent at vertex is x equal to alpha, where alpha is minus 7 by 2. That is x is equal to minus 7 by 2, implies 2x plus 7 equal to 0. Next to equation of axis is y is equal to beta. Equation of axis is y equal to beta, where beta is 5 by 2. That implies y is equal to 5 by 2, that is 2y minus 5 equal to 0. So, if it is also given, find the length of lattice rectum. What is the length of lattice rectum? 4a. 4a is, you write length means mod 3. Length of lattice rectum is 3. Length is not a negative values. So, length of lattice rectum is 3. So, in our material, there are so many problems. For one problem, find vertex. One problem, focus. One problem, equation of directrix. One is axis. One is tangents. There are so many problems. If you are perfect in this, you are able to solve maximum number of problems. Next one, type 6. Next one, sixth one, the equation x minus alpha whole square equal to 4a into y minus beta, where a is positive, represents a parabola represents a parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Whose axis is parallel to y-axis. You know, x square is equal to 4ay. X square equal to 4ay. This is of the form x square is equal to 4ay form. Is of the form which is a parallel, is a parabola symmetric about to y-axis. Means for y square is equal to 4x, the parabola is like this. This is a, this is s, s is 0 comma a. Now without changing the direction of axis, shift the origin to this point. I can take the parabola y square equal to 4x and I can replace here. So this is new y-axis, this is new x-axis. Now this is the parabola. Okay, na? Same parabola I can put here. Now what is vertex is what? This is alpha comma beta. So this is s. This distance is a units. And this is alpha. This is also alpha. So alpha and this is beta plus a. Alpha comma beta plus a. Similarly, z coordinates. Alpha comma beta minus a. Equation of this is axis x equal to alpha, tangent y equal to beta. Okay, na? Now this is for this parabola, vertex is vertex A is alpha comma beta. Focus S is alpha comma beta plus a. And these are z coordinates. Equation of directrix y is equal to beta minus a. So equation of directrix y is equal to beta minus a. Equation of tangent to vertex, this is x. Equation of tangent at vertex y is equal to beta. So this is the x equal to alpha axis. Equation of axis is x equal to alpha. This also same note. The equation y is equal to lx square plus mx plus n represents a parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. X equal to ly square plus my plus n represents a parabola whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Now find the equation of parabola which passes through the points 4, 5 and minus 2, 11 and minus 4, 21, minus 4, 21, whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Equation of parabola which passes through the 3 points whose axis is parallel to y-axis. Just to try yourself, this one is, since the axis is parallel to y-axis, so what is the equation of parabola? Y is equal to y, lx square plus my plus en. Okay, na? The parabola is passes through 4, 5, first equation, minus 2, 11, second equation, minus 4, 21, third equation. By solving these 3 equations, so you get L, M, N. Then that is equation of parabola is in place of L, M, N, write the values. Okay. Next one, find vertex, focus, directrix. Find vertex, focus, equation of directrix, equation of tangent at vertex and axis, and the length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum of the parabola three x square minus 9x plus 5y minus 2 is equal to 0. Okay, na? We have to find vertex, focus, so this equation first of all reduce into standard form. Means dividing by 3. So this is x square minus 3x plus 5 by 3 y minus 2 by 3 is equal to 0. Now this is x whole square, 2 into x into this is 3 by 2, then 3 gets cancelled, plus 3 by 2 whole square. I am adding 9 by 4 plus 5y by 3 minus 2 by 3 minus 9 by 4 equal to 0. Adding and subtracting 9 by 4. So this is this x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus, so this is 5y by 3 minus of LCM is 12 LCM. 12. So this is 6 and this is plus 27. Okay, na? So 12 LCM. So this is here it is 4 2s are 8. 8 minus 27. So this is x minus 3 by 2 whole square plus 5y by 3 minus this is 35 by 12 is equal to 0. This also equal to 0. So x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 5y by 3 plus 35 by 12. Again you can take x minus 3 by 2 whole square equal to minus 5 by 3 is taking common, minus 5 by 3 common, minus 5 by 3 is taking common, y, so this is minus 5 minus 35 by 12 into 3 by 5, 5 by 3, 5 by 3 gets cancelled, so this is minus 5 by 3 y minus of 7 times gets cancelled, it is 4 times cancelled, minus 7 by 4. So x minus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to, so this is of the form x minus alpha whole square is equal to 4a into y minus beta. Y minus beta. Now you write the focus, vertex, directrix. Here vertex is alpha comma beta. Alpha is 3 by 2, beta is 7 by 4. 3 by 2 comma 7 by 4. Focus S is equal to alpha comma beta plus A. Beta plus A. First you write A is what? 4A is equal to 4A is equal to minus 5 by 3. A is equal to minus 5 by 12. So focus S is alpha comma beta plus A, where alpha is 3 by 2 comma and beta is 7 by 4 minus this is A. Beta plus A is minus 5 by 12. So this is 3 by 2 comma 12 is LCM. So 21 minus this is 5 that is equal to So this is here 3 by 2 comma 16 by 12, that is 3 by 2 comma 4 by 3. So focus is 3 by 2 comma 4 by 3 focus. Next equation of directrix. Directrix y is equal to beta minus a. Equation of directrix, because the parabola is like this. Here this is the parabola, y equal to beta minus a. Y is equal to where beta is 7 by 4 and a is minus, so this becomes what, plus 5 by 12. Therefore y is equal to, so this is 21 plus 5 by 12, that is equal to 26 by 12, that is 13. This is 6, therefore that is 6y minus 13 equal to 0. That is equation of directrix. Next one, equation of tangent at vertex y equal to beta. Now equation of tangent at vertex y is equal to beta, where beta is 7 by 4. Therefore y is equal to 7 by 4, implies 4y minus 7 equal to 0. And equation of axis x equal to alpha, where alpha is 3 by 2, that is 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Okay, and the length of lattice rectum is 4a, it is 5 by 3, not negative values, mod 4a, that is 5 by 3 is the length of lattice rectum. Next one, now just I will give you some problems based on these two models, you try. Find vertex, focus, directrix, tangent at vertex, equation of axis, length of lattice rectum of the parabola. First one, y square plus 6y minus 2x plus 5 equal to 0. Second one, y square plus 4x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. Third one, y square minus x plus 4y plus 5 equal to 0. X square minus 4x minus 6y plus 6 equal to 0. Next one, x square minus 2x plus 4y minus 3 equal to 0. and one is 4x square plus 12x minus 20y plus 67 is equal to 0. So you need practice for all these things. So you have to find vertex, focus, all these things. Once you go through the two, type 5 and type 6 are most important. Once you refer and solve these problems. Right, next one. Find the equation of parabola whose focus is minus 2, 3 and directrix is 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0, and find length of latus rectum and the equation of axis of parabola. And the equation of axis of the parabola. First point is equation of parabola. Next, length of latus rectum. And next, equation of axis. See here. So irrespective of the diagram, according to definition, focus is given. So this is x-axis, y-axis. In general, we can discuss the point. This is the focus and this is directrix. Okay, na? What is the parabola is what? Parabola. Let the point Px, y be a point on the parabola. Now, according to definition of parabola, SP is equal to PM, where S is focus is given. Okay, na? And this is given directrix. What is the directrix is given? That is 2x. So this is 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. This is focus minus 2, 3. Now, to find the equation of directrix, we have focus and directrix. Equation of parabola, we have focus and directrix. Let Px, y be a point on the parabola. According to definition of parabola, SP is equal to PM. S means what? This one, distance. PM is length of the perpendicular from the point P to the directrix. Okay, na? Now focus is minus 2, 3 and L means equation of directrix. 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Now let px comma y be a point on the parabola. Implies by the definition of parabola, SP by PM is equal to 1, SP equal to PM, where PM is perpendicular distance. Perpendicular distance from the point x comma y to the directrix 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. In general, you can take the point as x1 y1, or simply you can take it as x comma y. What is SP means what? Distance between these 2 points. So this is root of x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equal to length of the perpendicular, mod of a x1 plus b y1 plus c by root of a square plus b square, that is 2x plus 3y minus 4 by root of a square 4 b square 9 13. Okay, now squaring and cross multiplication. So this is 13 into x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square is equal to 2x plus 3y minus 4 whole square. Now by expanding this equation and reduce into standard form, means ax square plus 2hxy plus by square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. So by expanding, this is the equation of parabola. Okay, and next you go for the second point. Now what about second one? Length of lattice rectum. See, this is focus. Lattice rectum means which passes through focus and is perpendicular to the axis. Suppose this is called P, this is called Q. Focus is minus 2, 3. So okay, now this is vertex 0, G, vertex not 0, 0. This is called vertex. This is focus. This is Z. And this is PM. What is the directrix is given? What is the directrix equation? 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Length of lattice rectum is what? PQ. So length of lattice rectum, that is PQ, is equal to, that is PQ equal to, so S is the midpoint of PQ, is equal to 2 times of SP. If it is 6, this is also 6. 2 into SP is equal to what? According to definition of parabola, PM. PM is equal to what? PM is equal to ZS. PM is equal to ZS. PM is equal to ZS. Where ZS equal to what? That is 2 into ZS. ZS means length of the perpendicular from focus to the directrix. That means length of the perpendicular from focus minus 2 comma 3 to the directrix. Okay, therefore finally the length of lateral rectum is, the formula is what? 2 times of length of the perpendicular from focus to the directrix. So 2 into, that means length of the perpendicular or perpendicular distance from focus minus 2 comma 3 to the directrix. 2x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. Okay, now that is equal to 2 times of, you know the perpendicular distance form, ax1 minus 4 plus by1 9 minus 4 by root of a square 4 plus 9, that equal to 1. This is 2. 2 by root 13 is the length of latus rectum. And next one is equation of axis of the parabola. Equation of axis. Axis, this is axis, and the directrix, both are perpendicular. Axis is perpendicular to directrix. What is slope of the directrix? Minus 2 by 3. Implies the slope of this axis is 3 by 2 and the point with the slope. So equation of axis. Next, since axis is perpendicular to directrix, slope of directrix is slope of this line is minus 2 by 3, implies slope of axis is 3 by 2. So this is M. And the point on axis, focus lies on axis. Okay, this is focus is minus 2 comma 3. So equation of axis. Therefore equation of axis is y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. So point slope form. So this is 2y minus 6 equal to minus 3x plus 6. That is 3x plus 2y minus 12 equal to 0. That is the equation of axis of the parabola. So this is, sorry, this is plus only. So plus 3x plus. Okay. So this is here 3x minus 2y plus 12 equal to 0. That is the equation of axis of the parabola. Okay. Now once you go through all the points, that means what? Different forms of parabola, that is very, very important. Thank you.